Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Before I get started, I want to thank you all for all the love you've been showing me on the previous advent calendar videos. If you guys haven't watched them, I have unboxed a few other advent calendars, some really exciting ones, and I have also been unboxing a few advent calendars on my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I'll link that down below, and of course I'm on Instagram. So if you are interested in more like style fashion videos, then do head over to my Instagram. But today we're unboxing the Body Shop advent calendar. This is it. This is one of 3 different advent calendars which the Body Shop has launched this year. There is one which they're calling just the advent calendar, which is £50. It's their most basic one, but it is worth almost £80. This one here is £70, but it's worth over £135. And then they also have one which is called the Ultimate Advent Calendar, which is £130 but worth £226. I haven't had a little sneak peek through this one or anything like that, so these are going to be my first reactions. I am a big Body Shop fan. I think it's just a fabulous brand, and I have had their advent calendars for a few years running now, and I always think it's a great one. I do think it does get a little bit repetitive if you have it every year. If you haven't had one before, this could be one that you quite enjoy. Packaging wise, I really like it. It's quite large, which I don't mind. It's not too thick. It's actually very well made. One of the better ones, I would say, that I've got this year. On the front you have a little scene of people putting up a Christmas tree. There's a bicycle, there's someone wearing a Christmas t-shirt with some puddings on there. There's like a few other little bits which are important to the Body Shop, which I think is nice. And then inside it looks like this. There are 25 doors. It's got like a little poem on this side. It says, "The real magic of Christmas is always made together. So decorate wonky trees, give unexpected gifts, embrace Christmas cliches, or be a merry maverick. Just do it together and celebrate the imperfect moments that make every Christmas so memorable." Maybe a bit emotional. I'm such an emotional wreck at the moment. I don't know what's going on, but I think it's because Christmas might be a bit different this year, so it just reminded me of how much I love Christmas. I'm going to get started. I'm going to put it just here just because it's just a little bit easier for me. We're going to get started with number 1. It's like a long box. On the side it says, "Millions of people all over the world are homeless. Help those in need by volunteering at your local Christmas shelter." I've done that before, but highly recommend it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Inside there is a Body Shop coconut hand cream. Love the Body Shop hand creams. Great way to start the calendar. I know I've said this before, but most of us are getting through hand creams more than ever before, as we're washing our hands more than ever before, so it's a great product to see in here. It is 30ml, which isn't huge, but in my opinion it's a nice handbag size. I may need to lay this down. Packaging wise, I honestly think this is one of the more beautiful ones. You can tell that they've really gone to effort with the drawings on the inside. I think it's really very beautiful. Number 2 looks like this, and then on it says, "Don't buy a tree, do good for the planet and decorate your favourite house plant." This is the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. I don't think I've ever used this, but I definitely would use this, and I think it's a nice product to have inside. This is a full size as well, obviously, because it would be weird if they gave you a mini sheet mask which fits a mini face. I have quite a large face, so that would definitely not work for me. The third one, got a little Christmas pudding on the outside. I haven't had any real Christmas food, but I did spot that my boyfriend's mum bought some mince pies already, which I'm very excited about. And I don't think I'm going to read all the side comments, but this one does say, "Put a little gift back into this box and now give it to someone awesome." I think that's a great idea. If you do have an advent calendar like this, I think even just saving the boxes for the following year to use as gift boxes is a great idea. I've definitely done that before. If not, what I done last year, I think it was actually with my Body Shop advent calendar, 95% sure it was my Body Shop advent calendar, is I just refilled it for my younger cousin with items that I thought she would like. I know I've spoken about that a lot. I just think it's a great idea. And inside there is a loofah. Not the most exciting thing in the world, but a loofah always comes in useful. I'm pretty sure I got one in last year's calendar. On to box number 4. I don't know where that is. A tiny box actually, and inside is a nail file. Again, not the most exciting item in the world. I do feel that sometimes advent calendars have like slight filler products. That does feel a little bit filler-y. I think it's important to take into mind the price and the value. So like I said, even though this calendar is £70, it's worth almost double that. Number 5 is a lip balm. It is a coconut lip balm. Winter is on the way. Definitely a product I will be using. I have been using lip balms more than ever before, and I'm always after a new one, so great to see that in here. And that is a full-size product. Door number 6, in this little box, it says, "Give a homeless person more than money, give them a smile and a hot drink instead." I really like the Body Shop's community feeling. I just think it's just so important now more than ever. But this is a Body Shop Mango Shower Gel. I can only imagine this smells incredible. It is 60 ml, so it's quite a small one. Big enough. You can definitely get quite a few showers out of that. This smells heavenly. It smells edible. I know it's not, but the temptation is there. On to number 7, which is probably one of the biggest boxes. And inside is a banana shampoo. I am a big fan of the Body Shop shampoos. I am 95% sure I used this one last year, but at the beginning of this year, yeah, I definitely did. Smells really, really good. We'll definitely be using this. It's for normal to dry hair, which I would say my hair is normal to dry, at least on the ends. The roots are a little bit oilier. Definitely going to be giving that a go. That is a full-size product. I really do rate the Body Shop shampoos and conditioners quite highly. On to the 8th door. It's a small one. A Purifying Glow Mask. This is a sample size, 15 ml. So actually decent. Probably got a few uses in there. I'm pretty sure I've used this mask before and I really liked it. I do rate the Body Shop mask quite highly. On to the 9th box. This one says, chat to a homeless person today and make that magic real for everybody. And we have another hand cream. I can't lie, my hand cream supply for the year 100% comes out of advent calendars. You end up with so many. This one is in shea, lovely, definitely going to use it. It's another 30 ml. Perfect for your handbag. If you end up buying this calendar and you don't want all the hand creams, then I think you can make up like little bundles for your friends and family. I always end up giving like some of my mum's friends little parcels of beauty products and they really like it. It's just a nice way of kind of sharing the love. Box number 10. Access to menstruation products is often limited for homeless women. Donate whenever you can to your local homeless shelter. In the past, like I mentioned, I volunteered at like homeless shelters or at food banks. So I didn't know this is what this advent calendar video is going to turn into, but with the Body Shop, that's kind of what you get. And 100%, I think menstruation products are essential, especially pads. I would avoid giving tampons just from my personal experience. I don't think there's a lot of people that don't use them, whereas most people will use pads. So it's definitely worth donating if you have a few spare ones, or you're picking up for yourself, you can just pick them up. A lot of the times supermarkets have little baskets on the way out where you can drop stuff off. Like honestly, the stories I've heard have been heartbreaking and it's a lovely thing to do. So if you can, that's definitely a great idea, and it's great that the Body Shop is pointing that sort of stuff out. This is Pink Grapefruit Shower Gel and let's give it a smell. It's a 60 ml. It's weird because I feel like the base of these is all very similar and then they have like a slightly different scent, but that is nice. This one says, do secret Santas with your neighbours. It's more fun than posting a card. And inside there are coconut bath bubble. I'm not sure what these are. They come individually packaged. I guess they're like a bath bomb, but I'm going to give that a go. I did actually just unbox the Lush advent calendar, so if you haven't seen that, that's up already. On to 12. I have absolutely no idea where 12 is. Oh, here it is. This is the cutest box for sure. It's got a nutcracker on the front and it says, put a present under the tree at your local homeless shelter. And inside is the chamomile gentle eye makeup remover. I've used this many times. It's a full size, it's 250 ml. Great product, and one which is quite universal. I think that's the thing with this advent calendar, whether you are a huge beauty user or not really, this is a really lovely advent calendar and almost anyone could get use out of this because almost everyone uses shampoo, hand creams, lip balms, loofahs, nail files, that sort of stuff that we've already seen in here. So I think this is a very inclusive advent calendar. 13. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. One of their best sellers, I think, is for every skin type, and this is a 15 ml. I have used this many times. It's a great face cream and one that I am very happy to see in here and which will probably make its way to my skincare routine very soon. 14 is another mask. This is an Intense Awakening mask. Oh, this is not what I expected. Oh my god, it smells so strong of coffee. It smells delicious and it is a solid black colour. That is really cool. And again, that is a 15 ml. You would get a few uses out of that, I believe. 15, my guess is that it's the conditioner. Be a Merry Maverick and wish a stranger a happy Christmas. This is the conditioner. Very happy to see this in here. I do think they were quite far apart because there's about a week between these and I probably would have started already using the shampoo and just forgotten about the conditioner, but like I said, really love this shampoo conditioner. We'll definitely be putting that in my bathroom and using that. 16 is a body cream. This is the first body bottle we have seen in this advent calendar. This is a 50 ml and this is strawberry. They're one of my favourite scents from them. That smells so good. It smells like sweets. That is delicious. Very excited to see that in here. 17, this is a lip gloss in the colour Nairobi Camellia. It's a matte lip liquid, which I think is just a matte liquid lipstick. It's quite a pinky shade, a little bit pink for me, but It is a full size and that is an 8ml. 18. This one's a nice one. This one says, call someone you haven't in forever and tell them how much you love them. Inside is a face cream. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. Definitely going to use that again. It's a full size and I really do enjoy the Body Shop face mask actually, so very happy to see that in here. On to 19 is another shower gel. This again is 60ml and this is in the scent British Rose. That is a lovely rose scent. Into the 20s. On the side it says, sign off social media for the next 24 hours and spend the day with friends and family. This year it's a little bit harder, but hopefully it's something you'll get to do in December. Another lip balm. This is in the scent Mango and that again, delicious. I just think the Body Shop do some really beautiful scents and that is one of them. 21, another tiny one. This one says, homeless women need more support from female volunteers and trained staff who can offer gendered support. Ask your local homeless shelter how you can help. This year, because of COVID-19, homeless shelters and food banks are really in need of help, so definitely a good year to do that if you can. This is another bath bubble and this is in pink grapefruit. I'm not going to open these, so I'm not sure what they smell like, but that is a 28 gram. I think that's just enough for one bath. 22, a really long box down at the bottom, and inside there is a gentle facial wash. I don't think I've ever used this, but I really do like the vitamin E range and I think this would be a great double cleanse, and I'm trying to double cleanse more, so one I'm actually definitely going to use at 125ml. It's another full size, which is great. They also haven't put any tissue paper in here, which I actually quite like because it seems a little bit more eco-friendly. I guess it seems a little bit less luxe. I think when there is a bit of tissue paper the experience is a little bit different, but I haven't felt that this was an unluxe experience. I think they've put so much time into the quality of this advent calendar and the design that this has felt like a really luxurious advent calendar for £70, and I have some that are double the price and don't feel as well made as this one. 23. This one says stuff into someone else's stocking, which I think is a lovely idea. I think advent calendars are a little bit for sharing because 25 products is a lot. This is a little headband. It's very sweet. It's navy with gold stars. It's quite Christmassy, very pretty, and again, if you don't want it, you can just put it in someone else's Christmas stocking. And then the penultimate one is 24. This one says, volunteer to help your local soup kitchen prepare for Christmas Day. There is no way you could volunteer on the 24th, at least from my experience. If you do want to volunteer this year, you need to be thinking about that this week really. But this is the Body Shop Seaweed Balanced Sheet Mask. I have combination to dry skin, so this sounds like something that I would really like, although it's for oily to combination. But like I said, if I don't use this, I'm going to pass it on to someone else and maybe we can have a little pamper day. Maybe it'll have to be over Zoom, but that will still be lovely. And then finally, this is a 24-door advent calendar, which is actually quite rare, but which I really like. This is quite a big box. It's very sweet. On the side it says, if you have a neighbour spending time alone, wish them happy Christmas. I mean, I'm hoping people are wishing their neighbours happy Christmas even if they're not spending it alone. I guess this year's a bit trickier. This is actually just such a delicious body cream. I've had this before. This is the almond milk and honey body butter from the Body Shop. It's like a white whipped one. It is so nice. I love this one. And that's the end of this advent calendar. I think this is a really lovely advent calendar. This isn't necessarily the best value for money because it's only worth slightly less than double what you're paying for it. I do think it's really lovely. I think it's great for someone that doesn't really love makeup but they love beauty, because it's got skincare, body care, but it doesn't have too many makeup bits. It's only really got a lipstick. I think it's great for someone that's a little bit younger or a little bit older. I think my older aunt would really enjoy this, and equally I think like a 13-year-old would quite enjoy this, and you don't have to worry about them getting too made up. Or it's great for someone that just loves the Body Shop. Like I said, I think this is a really beautiful advent calendar. I think it's beautifully made, probably the most beautifully made one I have. And with the Body Shop you can really rely on the quality of the product as well. I think they're a little bit more conscious as well, which I think is great. If you did enjoy this advent calendar, I will be unboxing the Molten Brown one quite soon too, and that's kind of got a similar vibe in that there's a lot of body products in that one, so do stay tuned for that. I will also be unboxing the Elemis one, which is probably my favourite skincare one. I'm very excited about it, but do let me know if there's any other ones you'd like to see me unbox. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the little notification bell as I will be uploading quite a lot over the next couple of days, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.